So now let's see how we can utilize SciSpace option inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, let me just go around onto Explore GPTs right here, and I'm going to go around and type in SciSpace right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, you can see that it says do resets right here, do hours worth of resets in minutes and instantly access 287 million papers and analyze the papers in lightning speed. So that is what SciSpace is for. You can go around and get resources according to how you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, let's say, for example, give me 5 academic book sources for the topic 12 principles of animation right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it starts the action, as you can see right here. And I'm just going to go around and confirm so that SciSpace has access right here. So now you can see that it gives me the resources right here, just like this. It says here are 5 academic book sources on the topic 12 principles of animation, as you can see right here. So you can see that it goes around and gives you the details right here, just like this. So by 5 book sources, and you even get the serial number and everything, as you can see right here, just like this. So you get all of the details as necessary, as you can see right here. So there are different citation counts that actually are there as well, and you can see that that is what you have. So now let me just go around over here, and then I'm going to go around and say, now give this list as, now give this list in the format of MLA referencing right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says now it simply goes around and lists everything out as MLA referencing format, as you can see right here. It says here is the list of books of 12 principles of animation in MLA format right here, just like this. So what I'm also going to do is I'm going to go around and say, now list out all of the specific page numbers in these sources where 12 principles of animations are listed right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around over here and do that, and now what happens is that it gives me further information right here. So now you can see that it gives me the specific page numbers as well. So let's say, for example, for this book, you can see that it says from page 1, this is from page 5, from page 47 to 69, from page 23 to 34, and so forth, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can work around with SciSpace plugin inside of ChatGPT and get specific information just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.